Hola, señora Vaz con las instrucciones de hoy. Instructions for today. Today you're gonna work on project 7. And for your project 7, okay, let's go first to the actividad inicial. For the actividad inicial, you go to this photo, and in this photo, I recorded the question. You're gonna play the question, and then you're gonna answer the question there. That's all you have to do for your actividad inicial. For your project 7, you are going to type a letter to me. Now, you know how to type a letter, so say hello. The letter does not have to be in English. Doesn't have to be in Spanish. It may be in English. And remember that it's going to be 4 paragraphs. I'm not asking you to just answer these questions. I answer you to write about these questions and write a paragraph per question. So I give you 4 questions and I want you to elaborate a paragraph per question. And a paragraph has at least 5 sentences. Okay? You just need to think a little bit and type. It's very easy, and it's a personal opinion, so there may be no wrong answers unless that you don't do it complete. Then it will be wrong. So you're gonna put your paragraph right here in the entry box, and that's it. Remember, when we have projects, we have make our days. So today is a good day for you to catch up with your work. If you are missing some work, please complete it and turn it in as soon as possible because we're getting close to the end of the 6 weeks, and today is the last chance that you have to complete your work with me around so I can help you with whatever questions you have. Adiós. Nos vemos en clase. Hasta pronto.